I'll demonstrate a couple more interfaces like that. So one of them we do a lot of is drawings. So for example, this is just another demo use case. Let's say I wanted to get all the drawings created between date A and date B and add some data to them and print them. Uh, so for example, I could be editing the title block and sending them all to PDFs. So the way this would work is we'd probably have a PDM vault behind it in this case, where when you hit get drawings, it would go find all the drawings within those parameters and then populate this data grid with them, where you could add, edit, remove them before hitting print. So another simple use case. A little more advanced one. So a lot of companies that are running SolidWorks and PDM, there's a size of company there that won't have a PLM or an ERP with change management functionality. So their change management revision 0 to 1 control is done informally via email. There's a size of company there where, yeah, like I said, it's all done informally. So something we do a fair bit in those cases is we add functionality to PDM. Something like this, where you have an EC number. So that could be an engineering change, ECR, ECO, ECN. There's a lot of different jargon associated with engineering change management. Well, let's say I've got engineering change 6 and I want to get all the drawings with that and publish them because it's been approved. So you punch in an EC number, we hit get drawings. This then goes to the vault, finds all the drawings with a PDM data card value of that, populates this data grid with them. You fill out a few more fields here, select the drawings you want, and then hit publish. It then opens all those drawings, adds perhaps a watermark if this is a release or a pre-release for review. We could update the title block. We could stamp any necessary details here, for example, a job number, a revision, codes, etc., and then save those out into a single PDF, all the separate PDFs, and put them in an output folder. So we do a fair bit of this as well. Just another slightly more complex use case, although this is still a fairly simple user interface.